In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs in 2025. So the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is turn off the option called autoplay. Autoplay adds similar songs after your playlist ends, which can feel like random additions. So to turn it off, go to the top left and select on your profile picture, then select on settings and privacy. Once you're over here, please select on playback. From there, go ahead and scroll down until you see audio play, and you want to make sure that is actually turned off. And that is basically going to stop Spotify from recommending other songs after your playlist ends. So again, it's really important that you do that. And also make sure to go ahead and clear up the Spotify queue. So random songs in your queue, which are added manually or by others sharing your accounts, can play instead of your music. So please go ahead and actually clear out your queue and make sure that only the songs you want are actually there, because that is incredibly important. And also be sure to add a sufficient amount of songs to your playlist. So playlists with fewer than 15 songs prompt Spotify to add random tracks to fill in the gap, especially for free users. So guys, if you don't have Spotify Premium and your playlist has under 15 tracks, then make sure to go ahead and add more music, because then it is just going to be adding more like random stuff, and it can honestly get pretty annoying if you do ask me. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.